friends, today we are going to make a salsa. That's a Mexican dish, Mexican dip. So these are all the ingredients we will be needing. And this is 2 diced tomatoes, peeled tomatoes. This is we are using half diced onions, jalapeno, 1 jalapeno de-seed. This is garlic powder, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 chili, a whole lemon sliced into half, and this salt for taste. How to make this salsa? First we are taking 2 diced tomatoes and putting into this bowl. Next we will take the peeled canned tomato, pour it into the bowl. Take half diced onions, add it with the rest of it. Then 1 jalapeno, garlic, chili, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. So add a little bit salt for taste. Take the half of the lemon and squeeze it inside the mixture. You'll have the sour taste for the salsa. Take the next half, squeeze it. Mix it well. Take a blender, blend it. This after we finish the blending and all. That's how it's looked. It's delicious.